Shamai! I'm going to very quickly do a demo today of these new Aquila Thunderbrown U-Bass strings put on my cheap fretless bass ukulele. So yes, the new strings are obviously on here now. The old ones, okay, are just by here. I don't know if they were actually Aquila. I don't recall there being a little tag or anything when I got this bass. So I've swapped them out. What I've done is I've recorded a little bit with the old strings as a demo, and then I've done a little bit with the new strings just to see if there's any comparison in terms of sound and playability. New Thunderbrown Aquila strings on a Batking fretless bass ukulele, cheapish, 125 odd quid, completely fretless, with old strings and then with the new strings. Right, I'm halfway through the job. The E and the A strings are done. I'm a bit sweaty. It's very warm in here, and doing this job when you've got sweaty hands is the worst. It's going out of tune, but I thought it'd just be interesting to see what it's like with the two original strings and two new strings on here. They are still going out of tune. Obviously, they're still stretching. So the job is complete. The new strings are on. I'm just going to do a very, very quick demo so we can compare it to what the original strings sounded like. There's a slight texture to them, and it makes it really nice on the fingers to play. And I've got sweaty hands now, and normally I'd be sliding about all over the place. But yeah, it's nice to play. it'll actually be really interesting to listen to this now. Obviously, I can hear what's going on in the room, but I am taking a direct line out and I've got a mic in front of the amp as well, just to get the best quality audio that I could. So there we are, that's the Aquila Thunderbrown strings. And they are a lovely chocolate brown. They were, I was going to say, the same as every other U-Bass string to fit. They're not the easiest things, and I always end up suffering sweaty hands, which is the worst thing. I will make a video one day. I couldn't do it this afternoon. New type of strings. I wasn't going to put myself under that much pressure, but one day I will make a video on how to string these up. But if you are stuck in the meantime, I will drop a link below to the official Aquila site, and they show you how to do it quite nicely. So thank you, Mimo Perufo, who is the owner of Aquila, okay, for sending these. With any luck, we can actually hear the difference between the old ones that were on here, which I don't think were Aquila, and these new Thunderbrowns. Hope you enjoyed that. As I said, just a very short demo. I will try and do a fuller review talking about them once the strings have settled down a bit. And yes, I will be cutting off these bits as well once the strings have settled. So I do hope you've enjoyed or maybe found this video useful. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.